The European Union's Competitiveness Council's adopted a common approach on new rules to better protect trade secrets, which are vital to business innovation and underpin fair competition. The aim is to make it easier for national courts to deal with the problem and for victims to be compensated, as well as remove products that infringe on trade secrets from the market. Surveys suggest that 1 in 5 businesses has been the target of attempted theft of trade secrets in the EU in the last decade, and the phenomenon is on the rise. The agreement paves the way for negotiations on the rules to begin with the European Parliament.
The adoption of this directive, once the European Parliament reaches an agreement at first reading, will be an important step forward in the EU's innovation policy, as adequate protection of trade secrets is an important enabler of innovation.
The ministers also adopted a position on technical requirements for new cars to be fitted with an emergency call system for use in accidents throughout Europe, known as eCall. The Council agreed in early May to deploy the EU-wide system, which would consist of a wireless device that manufacturers fit to cars and which would trigger a call to the 112 emergency number. It's hoped that eCall can speed up the emergency response to road accidents and bring down casualty numbers as the Union looks to halve traffic deaths by the year 2020.